Hi guys, welcome to the beatbox performance task. So what we're going to be doing in this little session is I'm going to first of all do some beatbox into a backing track that hasn't got any drums in it. It's a drumless track. So like you did with your pots and pans, if you had to go with those, the kitchen pots and pans or the body percussion, we're going to be providing a drum beat with our vocal sounds by creating some beatbox. Okay, so I'll go through some sounds in a moment, but for now I'm just going to play you the video here, which is just a backing track actually, and I'll do some beatboxing along with it. Don't judge me, guys. Don't judge me. Here we go. So nice bass line. And so forth. Okay, we'll just pause that now. Okay, let's go back to the slide that you will be looking at if you're doing the beatbox presentation. So you've got the demonstration. Okay, this is your beatbox track that you need to beatbox to and record with and upload. And these are some beats that you might want to try. So I just want to show you what this basically means. So the B stands for bass drum. B, b, b. And just think b, boom, boom, or b, boom, b. Okay, boom, boom, boom. And it's sort of an explosion of your lips. Boom, boom, boom. You can vocalize that like boom, boom, but you don't want anything too long, like boom, okay? And then it's the hi-hat, the drum kit, boom, tss, 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 tss. Okay? And then the K is for the snare, okay? So it's like a k, boom, tss, k. So if we look at beat number 1, it will sound like this, boom, tss, k, tss. Okay? That is the loop, if you want to call it a loop, or the cycle. And then it just keeps repeating. It's like a okay, it's like an open sound. Okay. And then number 2, I used ish for this one. This is it's like a ish. You're thinking ish, but you don't say ish. It's like it's produced like the glot at the back of your throat. Ish, 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 yeah, ish, ish. So it's the same as beat 1. It's that you're exchanging the k, you're replacing it with a ish. Okay, and then beat 3. Now the 3 and 4 are going to start getting a bit tricky. Okay, and then number 4, I keep saying okay, and number 4 is so it's like number 3, but you're filling in the gaps. So boom, 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 like that. Okay, it's pretty tricky. And it's taking the breaths. It's getting the kind of getting all the sounds in the right order, and then managing to take a breath. And the other thing I was putting in was like a boo, boo. Yeah, it's like like a siren, but with a b, boo, like saying boo, 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 but really, really exploding that sound off your lips, that consonant sound. It's about really staccato. Remember that word, nice and short and sharp. Exploding consonant sounds off your lips and your teeth. Okay, and the other one sound I used was like a record scratching sound. It's like you're saying it like a whisper, fresh, but it's like fresh, fresh, like suddenly it's like slowed down and sped up, fresh, like that again. And just have a little experiment, guys. Okay, so now you've watched the demonstration. Have a little play around with some of those beats on slide 2 there, and then on slide 3 you've got your backing track to try and beatbox to. Okay, enjoy, guys. Enjoy yourselves. Okay.